Everyone, you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter subtraction strategies. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I'm on grade 1 math. The chapter we are on right now is subtraction strategies. Let's just start with the first example, that is subtract a multiple of 10. So we're going to learn how do we subtract with when we have the multiples of 10, right? Okay, so let's just start with an example. The first one is 67 minus 10. So you have to subtract 67 minus 10. Like this, you have the multiples of 10, right? 10, 20, 30, all are the multiples of 10, right? So how do we subtract? We always start subtracting from the ones digit. So the ones digit we have there is 7 and 0, right? So you have to subtract 7 minus 0 first. You have to do 7 minus 0 first. So any number when you subtract it from the 0, the answer is exactly the same. 7 minus 0 is 7. The number stays the same. If you subtract a number from 0, the number stays the same. Then you have to look for the tens digit, that is 6 minus 1, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So that is 57. Right? So the correct option is 57. Basically, when we subtract from the numbers that have the multiples of 10, right? Like here you have 93 minus 60. 60 is the multiple of 10, right? What you have to do, you only subtract the non-zero numbers, right? You 3 minus 0 is, we know that whenever you subtract 0 from any number, the number stays the same. 3 minus 0 is 0. You simply have to subtract the non-zero values. 9 minus 6 is also 3, right? So the correct option is 33. Let's just start with the test questions. So subtracting from the multiples of 0 is very easy. Let's just start with the test questions. 95 minus 20. So 5 take away 0, you have to keep the number as it is. 5 minus 0 is 5 and 9 minus 2 is 9 minus 2 is 7. So 95 minus 20 is 75. The correct option is 75 it is, right? The second one is the correct option. 83 minus 30 equals, how do we subtract? 83 minus 30 equals, yes, 3 minus 0 is 3 and 8 minus 3 is, yes, 5 it is. The correct option is 53. Option number 1 is the correct option. 83 minus 30 equals 53. Option 1 is the correct option. 62 minus 30, which is the correct option? Sixty-two minus 30 equals, yes, 32 it is, right? 2 minus 0 is 2 and 6 minus 3 is 3. The correct option is 32. 23 minus 20 equals, yes, the correct option is 23 minus 20 equals 3. Very good. The correct option is 3. 3 take away 0 is 3 and 2 take away 2 is 0. Subtracting the number from itself always makes a 0. 92 minus 40, which is the correct option? Yes, 2 minus 0 is 0 and 9 minus 4 is 5. The correct option is 52 it is. 76 minus 40 equals, which is the correct option? Yes, very good. 36 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 95 minus 70, which is the correct option. The correct option is, did 95 minus 70 equals. Yes, that is 25 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson, and the next lesson is subtract doubles. Okay, use the workbook for practice questions. Let's just start with the next lesson. The next one is subtract multiples of 10. Okay, now you have 60 minus 50. Like both the numbers are the multiples of 10. So how do we subtract? When you have both the numbers that are the multiples of 10, how do we subtract? The ones are 0 and 0, right? Like you can see here, 60 minus 50. They both have one number. They both have 1 0 at the end, right? So when they have the same number of zeros, it is very easy to subtract. First, you have to arrange the numbers one above the other. You have to do 0 take away is 0. You just have to subtract the non-zero numbers. You have to do 6 minus 5, and 6 minus 5 is 1. So subtracting the multiples of 10 is very easy, right? So that is 60 minus 50 is 10. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. 90 minus 30 equals 0 minus 0 is 0, and 9 minus 5 is 9 minus 3 is, yes, that is 60, right? Just subtract the non-zero values. 90 minus 30 equals 60. The correct option is 60. 60 minus 30 equals, yes, that is 0 minus 0 is 0 and 6 minus 3 is, very good, 3, that is 30. 60 minus 30 equals 30. Option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is 0 minus 0 is 0 and 6 minus 5 is, yes, that is 10. 60 minus 50 equals 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. The next one is 70 minus 40, which is the correct option. Zero minus 0 is 0 and 7 minus 4 is 3. Yes, 30 it is. The correct option is 30. 70 minus 40 equals 30. Very good. 60 minus 40 equals, yes, very good. The correct option is 20. 60 minus 40 equals 20. Subtract 70 minus 50, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 20. You just have to subtract the non-zero numbers. They are 7 and 2, 7 and 5. So 7 minus 5 is 2. Very good. The next one is 90 minus 80, which is the correct option. The correct option is 90 minus 80 equals, very good, 10 it is option. The last one is the correct option. 20 minus 20, which is the correct option. Yes, that is 0. Subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. So 20 minus 20 is 0. Subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. 80 minus 60 equals, yes, the correct option is 20. It is 80 minus 60 equals 20. The correct option is 20. Subtract 80 minus 60, which is the correct option. Oh, I'm on the same one, sorry. The next one is 80 minus 70, which is the correct option. 80 minus 70 equals, very good. The correct option is 10. The last one is the correct option. 60 minus 60 equals, yes, subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. So 60 minus 60 is 0. The correct option is 0. The next one is 70 take away 0. Subtracting any number from 0, the number stays the same. So 70 minus 0 is, yes, 70 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson. Excuse me. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is relate addition and subtraction sentences. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, if 8 plus 1 equals 9, then 9 minus 8 equals, so basically you have to use the fact families, right? A fact family is two addition sentences and two subtraction sentences. They all use the same three numbers, just the writing of the number is different. Like here you have 8 plus 1 equals 9. So that is the subtraction fact. You have 9 take away 8 is 1. You can subtract, like logically, when you subtract 9 minus 8, the answer is 1, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. 5 plus, if 5 plus 4 equals 9, then 9 take away what number equals 5? The correct option is 9 minus 4 equals 5, right? You have to solve through the fact family. So in the fact family, all the numbers in both the sentences, the numbers are same. So yes, the missing number is 4. 9 minus 4 equals 5. If 4 plus 2 equals 6, then what number take away 4 equals 2, which is the correct option? The correct option is 6 minus 4 equals 2. The missing number is 6. If 8 plus 1 equals 9, then 9 minus 8 equals. Yes, 9 minus 8 is then. Very good. The correct option is 1. If 5 plus 3 equals 8, then 8 minus missing number is 5. So which number is missing? Yes, that is 8 take away 3 equals 5. So the missing number is 3. Very good. Okay, the next one is if 4 plus 1 equals 5, then what number minus 1 equals 4? Yes, that is 5 take away 1 equals 4. If 2 plus 6 equals 8, then what number minus missing number equals 6, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 8 minus 2 is 6. The correct option is 8. If 1 plus 6 equals 7, then 7 take away 6 equals blessing. I'm doing grade 1 session, not grade 3 or 4, right? So we have to maintain the level for grade 1 students. You can join me in grade 4 session. The correct option is 7 take away 6 is 1. If 5 plus 1 equals 6, then missing number minus 5 equals 1. Which number is missing? The correct option is 6 minus 5 equals 1. If 7 plus 0 equals 7, then what number minus 7 equals 0, which is the correct option? That is 0, sorry, 7 minus 7 equals 0. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 1 math. The chapter we were working on is subtraction strategies. The lessons we have covered today are subtract a multiple of 10, subtract multiples of 10. The one we have just finished is relate addition and subtraction sentences, right? So please make sure you have to complete all the less practice questions for the lessons we did today before the next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Please ask questions if you have any. No questions. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.